Ganan, walang lip. Ano pa yan? Walang, hindi umandar. Oh, boss. Please, please. Okay. Please, please. Wait. Kasi sinagay na si alaga. Ang taon na alaga. Ako nag-bake ng chicken breast. Okay, palitan natin itong ato ang lasagna. Where's lasagna there? That's cheaper. Mas anong lasagna nila? That's lasagna. Not good. Palitan natin. Itong lasagna 42. Palitan natin, guys. Kasi akong giluto kanina. Okay. Muna na siya ipalit. Okay. Ano 39 minutes? Kaya itong ina-assure ko ano ba? Assure something stranger. Okay. So, ano na? Ay, dili pwede magpalit kag daghan. Ay, nagmomo sa day. So, dirita. So, itong paliton di ani. Ay! Ay, sila peanut ba ni? Dili. Tanaon tayo may peanut butter, guys. Okay. Peanut butter. Nagputos siya. Saan ba? Wala. Magluto ako ng baking. Nakabili na. So, ano natin, kung mayroon akong gata. Ay, ang cute ng pan, guys, oh. Ang cute ng pan, ang liit. Kukuha tayo dito, guys. Breadcrumbs, guys. Mayroon tayong recipe na kailangan siya ng breadcrumbs. Mahalin to siya nga breadcrumbs. Saan mo yung murahin? Wala na. 22 siya. 22. So, okay. Sa lula. Ano pang bilihin ko pa? Mustard. Mayroon pang mustard doon. Mayroon pa. Hindi pa naubos. Wala na lang itong light brown sugar. Wala na siya. Hindi guys dati na ano to siya nakabox. Wala na. Okay, wala na. So dito na tayo, guys. Ito na. Basta. Okay. Wait, nagtansin. Hupay. I'll have to check here. Meron kasi sale dito eh. Nagsisale sila dito. Oh, let's check. Ano ba yung murahin dito ga? Dito kasi... ay, may ano sila. Oh my God. Tas, oh, how
Yeah.
much?
It's $4.
Huh?
4.5.
No price? Ah, $4. Ah, you know. Oh, okay. Ah, something new. $4. See,
Yeah, it's only just the
yeah, it's to what, you know.
coffee.
Mm. Evaporated, guys. So, bili na tayo ng isa. Okay? Bili lang ng isa kasi $4. So, you have a price here?
Because this is 7. So that's why.
I want to check this one. Ah, kaninili. How much this? $10, guys. I love that. Okay. What is this pumpkin? What do we call this? Bring it to your car. $4. Buy this. Okay.
Just check.
This is the okay. No more. Can you pick up it, ma? The one is marine.
Which one?
The one? Like the
This
one
one?
there? No, over there. No, there. No, the one. Yes. Is it marine? I want to see is marine. Marine.
I don't know this one. Cooking
That's the
vinegar maybe.
yeah. That's vinegar, but we call that marine.
Oh, okay.
It's Japanese. Can you look at?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me
I
see.
think it's vinegar wine.
Just-
Vinegar rice that one.
Yeah, cooking.
Yeah, it's cooking sake.
Oh, sake. Oh,
Sake.
that's good. That's the I'm looking yesterday. That's sake, okay? How much this? $12. Yun ang hinahanap ko yesterday. Because we don't have that one. Okay, guys. Indonesian yun. Marami silang sale dito. Oh. Ay, marami silang sale. $19 na lang. Oh. Di kaya yan, ano? Okay. Wow. A lot. You buy one shop. Okay. Kanino?
One more, Charlie.
That's one here. So, okay, guys. So, ito na. First, I want to show you something. I want to return this. You know why? There's something.
What's wrong with this?
Something.
What's wrong with this?
There's something. There's something. So I changed this one. Can you check first? You can see inside. There's a lot of something warm inside. Check it. Yeah.
It's some
Yeah. Check
black.
it.
Black.
Black. Yeah. I use the bag. Can you check it then inside? You know, otherwise it's spread around. Yeah. And this is
Oh,
clean.
I see.
That's clean. No. I want to use this.
It's an inside.
Okay. No, use this one.
You
Because
want the bag?
I forgot to.
Okay, I give you back the bag. I give you the bag.
Yeah, okay then. Okay, guys, so that's here. I write down in here. There's a, so I changed this one. I hope not this one. I hope it's okay this. It's different brand. guys. Ito yung ano nito. Okay. Philippine. Okay guys, Philippine. Pineapple Philippine. Okay. Ano tayo sa ating ano? Ito siya tatlo. Okay pa. Okay. Okay. So, wala pa. Scanning pa guys. Ika na na yun. Okay. Again.